Ready to dive into the fascinating world of Ethereum mining and potentially earn some crypto with your Nvidia GPU? Let's break down Ethereum mining basics in a way that even a beginner can understand. Ensuring you make the most of your hardware first, you'll need a compatible Nvidia GPU. Ensuring your graphics card has sufficient RAM. Typically, cards with 6 GB or more are preferred. But always check the current profitability. Ethereum mining, or any kind of mining, involves validating transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and getting rewarded. Step 1. You'll need to set up your mining pool. Think of it as the group of miners that work can combine their resources. This will increase winning odds and reward earning. Research pool options. Some pools charge fees for you to mine, and some pools do not. Always conduct your own research into fees and payout options, as this helps you make the right choice for you. Once decided, register for an account at a mining pool. Step 2. Download and install the mining software, such as Trex Miner or Gminer. These are specialized programs designed to utilize your GPU's power. Once downloaded and installed, create the mining software program's configuration. The critical settings you must adjust to include your mining pool's address, your wallet address where you will receive mining rewards, and your worker name. Step 3. Start mining. Launch the mining software. It will connect to the mining pool and start solving cryptographic puzzles, hopefully getting you rewards. Monitor your mining statistics through the mining software's interface and the mining pool's website. Remember, earnings fluctuate based on the Ether price, network difficulty, and your GPU's hash rate. Also, be patient. Mining can take time depending on your hardware and luck. Finally, don't forget to consider any electricity costs, since mining can consume significant power. Regularly monitor your GPU's temperature to prevent overheating, and adjust settings for optimal performance and efficiency. Mining can be a fun and exciting way to explore the world of cryptocurrency. Happy mining!